YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Mars Marciano coming through with another sneaker review. So got something special today for y'all. Boom. Lightning 4s. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about these. I mean, the quality isn't too crazy, but I mess with them personally. Now, they first dropped 2006, and it was more black and yellow. These got a more gray look, as you can see. Still dope, though. Changed it up a little, but it would have been nice if they stuck with the original, but can't complain too much, you know what I'm saying? Came with the yellow and gray packaging also. They've been doing that with the colored packaging. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look later, but y'all can see what it is. It speaks for itself. Pretty heat. Definitely good for the fall, winter time. Definitely found some nice coach jackets to rock with this, flannels, all that. And to let y'all know, got the new Yaper shirts that just dropped for my Yaper brand. Hit me if you're trying to purchase. Got more fire coming soon. Coats, hats, all that. More on the way. Crazy stuff. So stay locked in, tapped in. I'm gonna get y'all fresh.